When we came on, we like to call it a traditional model. They were still delivering hardware with an image with the applications installed. And they would then send those out to the employees. The trouble with that is you can never keep things up to date. Things are always static, things are always moving. They have the older version of an operating system. They're still on XP, or they still have IE8, or something that just never got updated. Or they have legacy apps that won't let you update. Our approach was people need access to their applications first and foremost. So if they come to the portal, they log in to workplace.redcross.org, they have probably their top 10, 15, 20 apps that they use all the time. They act like shortcuts on the desktop. They always work from whatever device. If you're at your grandmother's house and borrow her computer, they will run on her computer. If you happen to be at the airport and you run them from the phone, it's not a huge interface, but it'll run on your phone.
From there, they can run all of the different things that they've been provisioned, applications. So many of them are simply web-based applications that there's no special virtual magic associated with them, but many of them are published applications that are virtual or RDSH-based applications where they can run it from any device, anywhere, Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, that sort of thing. And those applications then are accessible from all those different platforms, from anywhere you can get an internet connection.
So if it's an older, browser version or a Java or Flash plugin that needs to be there that's compatible with one app but incompatible with another app, we can deliver, that isolated application to the end user so they have a consistent, usable experience with a single app.
Some of the cost savings moving to the virtual workplace is less hardware cost. We're able to use thin clients where we used to have fully desktop or laptops. We're seeing now, and it's just starting to be, where people are realizing they don't need the corporate issued desktop anymore.
We're leveraging virtual desktops for basically our entire population of students of 10,000. Every student has access to a virtual desktop. They also have access to RDSH applications as well. So from IT's perspective, there's been several benefits. One is that we've been able to reduce some of our licensing, which is great. It saves the university money, it saves IT money, also saves us time to manage those contracts.
Utilizing Horizon, it really helps us to be able to lock that workforce down, but allow them to do what they need to do to get their job done. We're trying to empower the user. They log in, they turn on their iPad, and boom, it's right there. They have everything they need. VMware has just empowered us. I mean, there's so many pieces to it that makes it so nice.